Everyone is making this. I want to do this. This is so cute. Hi everyone, this is me Priya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a tutorial video. You might have noticed this kind of photos all around your Instagram feed, but you're a little bit confused how to make this. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. This is very easy and simple. You can do this just like that. So let's go. At first, sign in to your Twitter handle. Then go to the Grok option, the third one. The interface will look like this. Then through the attach field, import your photo. After importing the photo, write the prompt on the screen. Then wait for some sec and ta-da! Your photo is ready. Isn't it very simple? If you like this video and want such videos, then subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.